I've been building a rollback truck since April using a donor WPL B16 and somebody else's STL files on the tilt bed and some of the other parts. Most of these parts, though, I've had to design myself. All of them are printed on my Bambu Lab P1S. And as of right now, I can now do this. It kind of takes a while. I did not realize the servo would be this slow. Also, the battery I'm using is just too lightweight for this. I'll be getting a warning soon that the battery is low. I don't have the bed sliding forward and backward yet, but I have at least this part functional.
Low battery.
And there's that low battery warning from the transmitter. I've got one more servo to set up, and that will allow this bed to move forward and backward like this. Wow, I'm way out of focus. So it's got about 65 millimeters of travel, which should be plenty. I have a cab already in mind for this. I just have not sliced it and printed it yet because I wanted to get all this mechanical stuff out of the way first. But there you go. That's my progress so far today. Well, so far since April the 27th. So we're starting to make some actual headway here. I did design and print all of the rims. I couldn't find any off-the-shelf rims or anybody else's STL files that worked well for me that I thought would look right. I'm using tires from the WPL UAZ 469. That guy right there. I bought some spares because I wanted to do proper dualies on the back. And as you can see, proper dualies on the back. Of course, these rims are not the same as this rim because I basically took that rim, made some modifications, flipped it over, and made them a single piece. It was just easier to cope with that way. There we go. Electronics will go in that tray there. I've kept the original mounting position for the on-off switch. I'm pretty happy with it. It's really kind of cool. I can't wait to see what it looks like with the cab installed. But I thought I'd share. I didn't feel like I was far enough along with this project until just a few minutes ago to share how it was going.